Seriously? Required. Please subscribe to us. So, where'd everybody go? Looks like they're ahead of us. Hey, I know you're new here, but do you ever wonder if our body has an original head?
You mean like the one she's born with?
Yeah. Do you know?
Well, I once heard a rumor that her face was so ugly the government forced her to take it off and hide it so no one would have to look at her.
I heard that her body got so tired of being rejected by her that it forcefully took her head off and hid it somewhere here.
Wow. She must be really freaky looking. But I still want to find her. Let's promise that whoever gets born next, we're gonna find the original head.
Yeah. Look! She's coming!
Looks like it's my turn to be picked, ladies.
Don't forget to find the original head.
Don't worry, I won't. Wonder what's playing. I feel like I'm forgetting to do something. Why am I always forgetting when I wear this head? Oh yeah! I'm supposed to look for the original head.
Hey there.
But you're beautiful. You're not scary at all. You are the original head of this body, right?
Why, thank you. And yes, that is my body you're currently inhabiting. You must be one of my newest heads. Pretty.
Why would you take your head off, put it in a box, and hide if you're so pretty? And why do you take other people's heads?
Well, that's simple. I was bored with being me, so I decided that I just wanted to be someone new every day. So I just took off my head and started going hunting for some pretty new substitutes. But now that you found me, I think I'll wear my original head, so if you don't mind.
What the? I can't control the body.
There we go. It's good to have my original head back on my body. And now for you.
Oh, come on. You don't want to put me in the box. I'm your prettiest head. Please?
Still in good condition, but I think I need to go head hunting again.
Subscribe!
Okay, and I'll give you this. Oh, wow! This is such an incredible model. I mean, these are really expensive. I've always wanted to try one.